YouTube, back at you with another video. It's Don in the kitchen, Don Entree, and today what we about to cook. Before we get down, you know what I'm saying? I just had to show you a little bit how to do it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, word.
You know what
Oh, word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm Lil Don Jr. You feel me?
Lil Don Jr.? Yeah, that's
You know what
my
I'm
son. All right, y'all, I want y'all to give my son a big old round of applause, you know what I'm saying? So my cameraman is like, hey, yo, man, let me just get this shot real quick. And I was like, you know what, bro? You could have it. So, like, give my man a big old round of applause, you know what I'm saying? But besides all that, y'all, play my shit. Y'all, you know, so we back again with another video, son. And so this is the real Don, bro. Like, I don't know who that light-skinned dude was, but, you know, so I had to give him the hands a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I had to rough him up, but I had to, you know, cameraman still trying to get this shine. It's all good, though, you know what I'm saying? But today, son, today, y'all read the title. We're making some, Penne alla Vodka, son. So, like, quick funny story, actually, right? You know how, like, I did, dang, what did I do? I don't remember I did. Oh, the Jerry So Chicken. You know how we did that for like the debut chapter 3? You know what I'm saying? Funny story. Originally, I was going to do the Penne alla Vodka. Did it, recorded, boom, bam, got it done. You know what I'm saying? But then, I even edited it up. You know what I'm saying? But then, my computer decided to do, you know what I'm saying? That decided to die on me. So, I just lost everything. So then, like, I tried this, I tried that, but it still didn't work. And so that's what we wound up having the General Tso's chicken for the first video. But that's what we doing today, son. Cause I just want to show you how fire this meal is, bro. Because like, another side note, because I think it was like a year ago when I was really learning. I'm still learning, but when I was really learning, right? I made some penne and meatballs, like homemade meatballs and stuff. And so I basically use like fake vodka sauce, like the store-bought and stuff like that. Alright, back at it again. And so basically, this is what the meatballs look like when they get done. And don't worry about all that, that's just all the fat and all that unhealthy stuff right there. And so basically what the meatballs is, you can make anything with it, we'll go with it. I know I said that twice, I know that. What I chose to make with it was some pasta with some penne, and what I'm about to do is I'm about to toss that up with some vodka sauce. And that's what it basically look like, vodka sauce right here. And so, and also, if you want to learn how to make pasta, just like comment below and I'll make another video. So let me just go ahead and toss everything in and I'll show them when we get done playing it. Alrighty. That's basically what it looked like right there. I've set it on the plate. Dang, that junk steaming, son. That junk steaming, though. You see the steam come off of it. Well, I know it looks a little weird because, like I said, pasta and everything, you can make that with anything, whether it's spaghetti or whatever you want to do. I chose penne, and it's kind of like penne alla vodka. It's basically like penne sauce and vodka sauce, toss it in with the meatballs. Boom, bada bang, like that. So I said like something like penne alla vodka, but no. This right here, son. This thing right here, son. Like this thing right here, son, is about to hit. So let me show y'all in this next clip what we can be working with today, son. Alright, let's get to it, son. So first off, bro, we got some parsley. Alright, y'all, I want to keep it a buck. So this thing is really ain't about to do that much to it. You know what I'm saying? It's basically just feel like a little extra flavor behind it with our sauce, and of course, you know, give our pasta a little bit of color. But really, we gonna need is some buttermilk. You know what I'm saying? So the buttermilk gonna make that into a brine, and I'll talk about that later on. You know what I'm saying? So basically, we just be soaking our chicken into the buttermilk. You know what I mean? But besides that, bro, of course, to make penne alla vodka, we gonna need some penne noodles. You know what I mean? So like with penne noodles, we're gonna be cooking to al dente. So basically, al dente means is we're gonna cook it, but not all the way through. We're just gonna finish off the cooking process. We're cooking our noodles in our sauce. You know what I'm saying? So speaking of sauce, bro, we're gonna need some onions. You know what I'm saying? So basically, we just got some diced onions, bro. We basically gonna just pour it in a pan, get some olive oil, vegetable oil, let it basically caramelize and stuff like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? But of course, to make our penne alla vodka, like I said, we're gonna need some chicken, bro. So like I said, with the chicken, we're gonna basically soak that into a brine. And so like, yeah. So once we get done soaking our chicken in some brine, this one is like diced up and like it has a 1/4 inch thick. Then we're just gonna basically cook that thing up. You know what I'm saying? Then it's like put everything up together. But to make this sauce, bro, we're gonna need these two things, which is tomato puree and crushed tomatoes. So let's kind of break it down a little bit. All right. So the crushed tomatoes, you're gonna want to get the no salt added because we're gonna be adding a lot of stuff into our marinara. You know what I'm saying? So, but besides that, we will need the tomato puree, kind of give that nice little pasty taste to it, pasty little look to it. You know what I'm saying? So we just get throwing everything together. We're gonna blend that baby up. You know, boom, bada bing. You know what I mean? So like, besides all that, bro, we also need some cheese. And so what type of cheese we're using Coby and monterey Jack, bro. I know I just butchered that so badly. But so yeah, I'm just using this because like I like the flavors behind these cheese. You usually use any type of cheese, you know what I'm saying? You can use cheddar, you can use mozzarella. But I like it because it's like yellow cheese, and that yellow cheese goes so well with this sauce that we're making, you know what I'm saying? So besides that, bro, we're gonna need this secret ingredient, which is rum. So usually when people make penne alla vodka, they use vodka, but today, bro, we're using some rum, but not just regular rum, we're using some Bacardi. So like right now I'm using the lime one, but I use all the different types of flavor. They have mango, pineapple, but I'm going with the lime version, because like that lime, it just got a nice little taste behind it. It's like it's sweet, but also tangy, you know what I'm saying? It really pulls together the whole sauce and everything. You're gonna love it, bro. So this is how we're looking, man. We got our onions, we got our chicken, we got our penne noodles we're gonna cook to al dente, we got our crushed tomatoes and our tomato puree, we got our cheese, our buttermilk, our parsley, and also our secret hitter, which is the Bacardi Run. So let's get right into the video, y'all. Let's get it. What's good, y'all? Welcome back and stuff like that. And so like, all right, I'm not gonna lie, this first step is like really easy, you know what I'm saying? So the chicken, I don't want to say it's a star, but it's like low-key the star too. But really, you're looking for the sauce and the chicken, right? So it has some really amazing behind chicken, bro. You're gonna need to like throw your chicken in a brine. So basically, like, it's when you have your like some type of meat, like mainly like chicken or beef and stuff like that, and throw it in something like a bunch of stuff in it, and let it the meat really just soak it up, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, some people call it like kind of like a marinade, but not really in a sense. Basically, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna get your chicken right here, right? And you just wanna not do that, because I forgot to add some eggs. Be right back. All right, I'm back. All right, so basically what you wanna do is you wanna crack you up some eggs, like so. Once you do that, beat up your eggs, like beat it up, like. And once you do that, when your eggs is like nice and beaten, like so, we're gonna add our buttermilk to it, but stir while you put your buttermilk in. Throw some sugar in here. Sorry, I got some clumps in here. My sugar got a little solid on me. We're gonna stir that in real nice and well. Then we're gonna add our seasons to it. man. So once you get done adding all your seasons into it, that's basically just incorporate everything in. Just stir that bad boy in there. Like so. And then you're gonna add some liquor to it, you know. So you can't have vodka sauce by any liquor. So, but normally people use vodka sauce, but I tend to use rum. And so, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna hang out with Bacardi. Just gonna pour some in here. You don't need that much, really. You're just gonna need like a little bit. And once you add that, just stir it in and just throw your chicken in there. And so ideally, right, you want to sit for like a day for your meat can really soak up in that goodness. So good. So yeah, you gonna let that chicken really just soak up in there. But like, if you really just want to be patient and hungry, you gotta cook later on tonight, just at least throw that thing in there for about 4 hours. You know what I'm saying? For like, at least for 4 hours. So after you let it, so we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and after that, I'll show you to the next step. So I'll see you then. All right, y'all, welcome back and stuff like that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's been more than a day. It's been about a week. But you know what? I came back with some heat.
Sir, this nigga spitting.
Besides that, man, we got done with our chicken, bro. So after you get done letting it sit for about a day, or in my case, a week. All right, I just want to clarify myself, bro. Yes, it's been a week, but no, I'm using the same chicken. I have bought a whole new chicken breast or whatever. And yeah, so I basically threw away that chicken that I saw previously. It's a whole new chicken, so yeah. This is what we're going to do, man. I'm going to get our chicken right here. Let's like see all the juice in this. All the stuff come off of that thing, boy. You're gonna just slap that thing on it like that. And once y'all get your thing done, just wanna just slice it down. You can go against it, you can go with the grain, all depends on you. You wanna cut up in a couple inches, probably like an inch thick. Like this amount right here, you know what I'm saying? And so once you do that, right? And once you cut about an inch thick, this is all you really do. You just throw that thing in a pan, let it cook throw your meat in batches, probably about like 4 or 5 minutes each side. You know what I'm saying? Take your meat out, make your sauce, and that's really about it. So let's get to it, y'all. All right, man. So like I said before, man, once you get done pulling your chicken out the brine, what you want to do is cut your chicken up. You know what I'm saying? Specifically, you want to cut it up in an inch thick, you know what I'm saying? So it's fine if you cut it a little tad bit bigger, it's whatever, but the reason why we're cutting in that size is to make sure our chicken is fully cooked. And speaking of fully cooked, man, you want to get your pan and throw some vegetable oil in it, I'm sorry, and throw your meat in batches, you know what I'm saying? The reason why we're cooking in batches because you want to make sure it's going to cook evenly, you know what I'm saying? So basically, once you get done throwing your chicken in batches, you just want to go ahead and cook that baby up, you know what I'm saying? And so basically, after you get your chicken cooked, bro, what you want to do is you want to get your oil and throw in the pan, get some onions and caramelize those babies up. And once they're nice and caramelized, bro, that's when you're going to start adding your crushed tomatoes and your tomato puree. And once you pour all that in there, just stir that baby up. Stir it nice and smoothly, you know what I'm saying? So once you do that, bro, you're going to throw your sauce in the blender and you want to blend it up because you want to get like a fine paste to it, you know, so like an actual like marinara look, you know what I'm saying? And so once you get done like pureeing up your tomato sauce, once you get done doing that, bro, just want to pour that baby back into the same pot, right? And look, you're not done yet. What you want to do is, right, you want to add some heavy cream to that baby. That thing gonna get that nice little color. You're gonna do that nice creaminess texture to start up the whole vodka sauce. So like anyway, so once you get done pouring your heavy cream into it, bro, you just want to stir it up. You know what I'm saying? You want to stir it up until it starts getting like a nice little orange red color to it, kind of like this. You know what I'm saying? So once you do that, that's how you know your sauce is basically done. And the only thing you really need to do now is basically just add your cheese and add your pasta to it. And if you want, you can add some more like rum to it, but you shouldn't need to. You know what I'm saying? So once you do that, just add everything to it. So yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back and stuff like that. So after all of that nice old little B-roll we got going on, you know what I'm saying? We added some cheese to it, and I like, you know what I'm saying, like throw it in the oven, let it boil up a little bit, mix it up a little bit more. So we got done with that. We got done making the chicken. We got done making the pasta and the sauce. So only thing left to do is to eat the thing. So this is how it looking, man. You know what I'm saying? Got some parsley on it, a little bit of Parmesan cheese on that thing. You know what I'm saying? So we got that thing looking right, son. And so let's go and try this bad boy, son. Oh, not so cheesy. Let's then get some chicken. Bro, hold on, bro. Hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. Hold on. That thing is good, boy. You know what I'm saying? Got the nice little cheesiness, and then like the sweetness of the sugar, and the chicken, and then like the rum. Like, so I got lime flavor rum. You really just taste that thing, son. So, hold on. That thing fire, bro. So you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna make that thing for me. Let me know how y'all like it, you know what I'm saying? Say something in the comments. Say like what your favorite pasta dish is. So that's another episode of Don Entree, man. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that fun stuff for you. Check out the next video. So see y'all to the next video, y'all. Let's get it.
Hello. It's the face of a nigga that won a PS5. Yeah.
Right up.
That nigga like, I do low-key want that shit. Head ass nigga. Niggas that want PS5 try to put their hair in ponytail.
Chill out. So you got a ponytail too, nigga?
Yeah, but my shit, look at that shit though. Look at that shit though. I can do it with my hair. Let me see yours.
Nah, bro, you good. You good, bro. You good, bro.
Let me see yours.
Nah, bro, like you be hurting my feelings and shit,
Nah, bro. You know what I mean? It's all good, bro. They get to it, baby. No, it's not. Sassy ass chocolate ass nigga right here, you feel me?
This nigga right here, bro.